There we go. The steering is informative, sporty. I love it. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh wow. That is insanity. Look at the way she hugs these corners. Welcome back, everyone. Today we have a 2005 BMW 645i on our channel. This is the coupe version. I want to say a huge thank you to Serenity Auto Outlet of Frederick, Maryland for providing me this car, especially Khalil. All his information will be in the right hand corner of the screen, so if you're looking for a pre-owned car, reach out to him. Well, let's get this beauty fired up. Oh yeah. Some people don't like this ding. I love this ding. All right, well, let's go take a look outside. So this right here is the 645 coupe. They call it the CI. It's a very clean example from those years. It's got under 100,000 miles on the odometer. Very good condition overall, beside a little bit of paint fade, but that's very minor. Just look at this design. I love the Bengal era BMWs. They look so mean and unique. Like, you can never mess them up with any other car on the road at all. And the 6 Series is truly ahead of its time. Well, let's check out the, oh, actually we gotta open the doors first. And let's check out the trunk. All right. Yes. You can also push this and open it like that, but I'm just gonna open it like this. We got a decent sized trunk. It's not too huge, but you can definitely fit in a couple of suitcases. All right, trunk is closed. Let's look at the engine. The best part of this car. This is the 4.4 liter V8. Alrighty. Everything looks very clean inside. Beautiful power plant. I had an 05 X5 with the 4.4i as well. Had 224,000 on it when I sold it, and it still ran very well. Well, let's go hop back inside. And check out the interior. All right, so looking at the interior. Look at how nice everything here is. The seats. The infotainment system needs to be recoded. It won't go past the BMW screen, so we won't touch that. But everything else here looks very good. We have a big panoramic sunroof. Opens and closes. Front automatic windows. Dual zone climate control. Everything works. We got the AC system. I love these seats. They're very supportive, cozy, comfortable. They hug me. Well, let's do the wiper test. And the wipers are also a work of art. Look at how cool they look. Well, the horn is here. And let's get started. let's get started. On this 6 Series. We have a sport mode button right here. We're definitely going to use it, but later on. Oh yeah, that growl. Visibility is excellent. I can see everything clearly around me. And there's lots of torque under the pedal. Like, I can feel how much torque there is in this 6 Series. Ridiculous. Let's activate the sport mode and then the transmission sport. The car's already warmed up. Don't worry about the fuel gauge. I mean the oil temperature gauge. Look at this. That was like 30% throttle. Let's adjust the mirrors as well. And I want to give these guys some space so we can do our merge acceleration test. It's very quiet in this cabin. The soundproofing is excellent. The steering is informative, sporty. I love it. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh wow. That is insanity. I already hit a very high speed without even getting to the actual off-ramp. That's insane. So let's talk about the ride. In sport mode, feels very comfy here actually. You don't hear any wind noise. The road is perfectly isolated from the cabin, and all we hear is just, let's go to comfort. Yeah, and all we just hear is a little bit of the engine, and that's it. Maybe a hint of wind, but it's a windy day. There's instant torque. I'm not even pressing the pedal hard, and we're already up to 90. Actually, no, let's keep going this way. The response from the steering is immediate. It's super informative. Wow. This is crazy. And it's very isolated in here. I love how cozy it feels. Kind of makes you just want to glide, not worry about stuff. And you don't feel any speed in this 6 Series whatsoever at all. Wow. Yeah, the performance here is phenomenal. You don't even have to add much throttle. You can keep it at 3,500 RPMs and you have so much torque to get up to speed. You don't even have to push the pedal hard at all. You see, I'm pressing about 30% in. And look at how it builds speed. That is insane. If we're quietly cruising, the alignment is perfect here. Mechanically, this car is in phenomenal shape, and I can tell you this by the performance. This is definitely a way faster car than my X5 ever was, the 2005. And I love the layout. I love how I just feel in this car. It kind of soothes you, surrounds you in pleasure, and just soothes you. And you want to just cruise. Yeah, for 2005, this is truly ahead of its years by many, many years. This car gives more joy to drive than pretty much most new cars that are on the market today. I love these 2000s BMWs from that era. But let's do some 0 to 60 tests, see how quick it is, and you'll see that in the next clip. Alright, so we did 0 to 60 in 6.57 valid. And then we did the 1/8 mile at 9.75 at 80 miles per hour. 80. Can you imagine that? Now, the one thing that I do want to try is I do want to have a better start, because I feel like with the way I'm starting, I'm killing the whole time. Is because there's wheel spin, wheel spins, loses a little bit of speed, and then it stops calculating the 0 to 60. 3, 2, 1. There we go. All right, so we did 6.22 0 to 60, and the 1/8 mile at 9.37 at 81.23. Check that out. Just from idle. That's it. We could definitely do better if we practice. We could definitely break the 6-second barrier. But look at that trap speed. That is an amazing trap speed. Over 80 miles per hour. Wow. And, you know, the 1,000 feet came at 92.8. Yeah. I mean, I had to let off earlier, but still. Incredible times. Incredible times. Well, let's do some backroad driving now, shall we? I love the steering wheel here. It's just so perfect. Oh yeah. This engine has a ridiculous amount of torque. You don't even need to push it. You can just keep it at 3,000 and you're gonna be riding up any hill easily. Like, look, easily, like 30% throttle. Oh yeah. Look at the way she hugs these corners. This is really the ultimate driving machine. The brakes feel great. There's no fade. Oh yeah. Whew. You can truly feel the luxury aspect of this BMW. Yep, we need more gas. That's okay. We should be good. And I love the materials here. Everything is so durable, soft, durable. That's why so many years later it still feels like a new car on the inside. We also got the heated seats here. Let's go. Oh yeah. Whew. and this is 15, like 10-15% throttle. I'm barely touching it. Like, look, not even touching the gas pedal. Well, thank you so much for watching, everyone. To summarize the test drive, I've loved this 6 Series, actually one of my favorite cars that I've ever driven, especially from that 2000s era. It's in no way, shape, or form outdated. It will still make a lot of quick cars out there cry. The V8 is phenomenal. I love the sound. I love the torque curve. The transmission works butter smooth. Very clean unit if you're looking for one. I highly recommend it. I love this car. One of the best drives that I've tried. Well, make sure to smash that like and subscribe button, and until next time.